Welcome back to Carlook. Today, the 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302, a muscle car legend reborn with modern flair. Let's get right into it and explore what makes this beast so special. Picture this, a sleek, aggressive Mustang tearing down the road, its iconic fastback silhouette turning heads everywhere. The 2025 Boss 302 channels the spirit of the 1969 original, blending retro vibes with cutting-edge tech. Up front, you've got a bold grille with those classic round headlights tucked inside, flanked by sharp LED accents. The hood sports functional vents, hinting at the power underneath. Those retro-inspired hockey stick stripes run along the sides, wrapping around chiseled fenders and 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in sticky performance tires. Out back, a subtle spoiler and quad exhaust tips scream performance, while the blacked-out taillights give it a menacing vibe. It's available in eye-popping colors like grabber blue and shadow black, so you can make a statement wherever you roll. Step inside, and the Boss 302 doesn't disappoint. The cabin mixes race-ready function with modern comfort. You're greeted by Recaro sport seats with contrast stitching, hugging you tight during spirited drives. The flat-bottom steering wheel feels chunky and purposeful, with paddle shifters for quick gear changes. A 12.4-inch digital gauge cluster displays everything from track stats to boost pressure, while the 13.2-inch touchscreen runs Ford's latest Sync infotainment. It's got wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a banging B&O sound system for cruising tunes. Carbon fiber accents and aluminum trim add a premium touch, but it's the Boss 302 badging on the dash that reminds you this isn't your average Mustang. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Boss 302 shines. Under the hood sits a 5.0-liter Coyote V8, rumored to pump out around 480 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with either a 6-speed manual for purists or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. Ford's tuned this engine with a high-flow intake, upgraded exhaust, and a retuned ECU, giving it a snarling soundtrack and explosive acceleration. Expect 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds, with a quarter-mile sprint in the low 12s. The MagneRide suspension keeps it planted, adapting to road conditions in real time, while Brembo brakes haul it down from speed with confidence. Throw in a limited slip differential and track-ready cooling, and this Mustang's ready for canyon carving or hot laps at the circuit. So what's the damage? Pricing hasn't been locked in, but whispers suggest the 2025 Boss 302 will start around $55,000, slotting above the GT but below the Dark Horse. That gets you a ton of performance for the buck, especially compared to pricier rivals like the BMW M4 or Chevy Camaro SS. Options like a performance pack or premium interior could push it closer to $60,000, but it's still a relative bargain for what you're getting. The 2025 Ford Mustang Boss 302 is more than just a car. It's a legacy reborn. It's got the looks, the power, and the tech to dominate the street and the track, all while staying true to its roots. Whether you're a Mustang fan or just love American muscle, this thing's gonna leave a mark. That's it for today's deep dive. If you're as pumped about the Boss 302 as I am, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell for more car goodness from Carlook. Let me know in the comments what you think of this Mustang legend. Until next time, keep the revs high and the rubber down. Peace out.